Chinese cuisine is an important part of Chinese culture, which includes cuisine originating from the diverse regions of China, as well as from Chinese people in other parts of the world. The preference for seasoning and cooking techniques of Chinese provinces depends on difference in historical background and ethnic groups. Geographic features, including mountains, rivers, forests, and deserts, also have a strong effect on the local available ingredients. It also considering climate of China varies from tropical in the south to subarctic in the northeast. Imperial, royal, and noble preference also plays a role in change of Chinese cuisines. Because of the imperial expansion and trading, ingredients and cooking techniques from other cultures are integrated into Chinese cuisines over time. Most praised four major cuisines are Chuan, Lu, Yue, and Huaiyang. Which are representing West, North, South, and East China cuisine. Color, smell, and taste are the three traditional aspects used to describe Chinese food, as well as the meaning, shape, and nutrition of the food. As for me, my favorite Chinese cuisine is hot pot. There are three styles of hot pot. Beijing hot pot with majiang dipping sauce. Guangdong hot pot with sha-cha dipping sauce. And Sichuan hot pot with garlic and oil dipping sauce, which are representing Lu, Yue, and Chuan. Among all three styles of hot pot, I like Sichuan hot pot the most. Sichuan hot pot has features of spicy, numb, and heavy taste. Usually use beef tallow and lots of peppers as soup base, and use animal intestine or stomach and meat for ingredients. I know that sounds really disgusting, but it's really delicious. Hot pot is easy to make because you basically do all the cooking during the eating. And it is a great cuisine to share with family and friends. Chinese people usually eat hot pot when there is a big festival, like Chinese Lunar New Year. Hot pot is a unique cultural representation of China.